Welcome to our channel, Global Learning. Keep learning, keep shining.
In the previous video, I have explained how to create rubrics. In this video, I am going to explain how to create quiz assignment. Click on Create option, choose Quiz Assignment and click on it. Add the title to your assignment. For example, I am writing quiz on C language and then add the instructions and then click on blank quiz. Write the name of the folder. For example, I am writing as quiz and then write the title of the form. For example, I am writing quiz again. Click on the untitled question to write the question. For example, I am writing as name as a short answer type question and I am also making it as a required field. Click on the plus sign to add the new question. For example, I am writing roll number. The validation check is applied automatically, making the roll number as numeric value only. If you want text or regular expressions, you can change it from here. You can also give the range of the numbers and then click on the required to make it as a mandatory field. Click on the next question and then add the question. For example, I'm writing gender and then it automatically suggests me the options. So I will just click on this add all option and it will automatically add these options, and now I'm making it required again. Click on the plus sign to add the question again. For example, I'm writing hobbies just to make you clear that more than one option can also be chosen by the students. In the first option, I'm writing running, and the second option, I'm writing cycling, and the third option, I'm writing dancing, and in the fourth option, I'm writing chess. You can write the options according to your question. As I want the students to choose more than one answer, so I'm choosing the checkbox from here instead of multiple choice question. In the next question, I'm writing main question of the quiz. For example, the next question that I am writing is who discovered C language? And for this question, I am choosing the drop down list. In the first option, I am writing Dennis. In the second option, I am writing Mark. And the third option, I am writing Zen. And in the fourth option, I am writing Susie. And then click on the option of answer key to mark the right answer. For example, I am marking Dennis as the right answer. Add the points. For example, I am giving 2 points and then click on add answer feedback. For the incorrect answer, I want that the message should be displayed as Dennis is the right answer. And for the correct answer, I want well done message should be displayed. So write the message and save it. You can see that the feedback has been added to the Google form. You can change the theme of the Google form. Just go to the option of customize theme, click on it and then choose the image for the header and click on insert. So you can see that the image has been uploaded. You can also change the theme color and background color. You can change the font style also as per your requirement and then go to the classroom and just refresh your page and right click and open the quiz in the new tab. You can see how it will be displayed to the students. The students will be able to write the name and roll number, and in the gender they will be able to choose only one option as we have taken it as a multiple choice question. In hobbies, so the students will be able to choose more than one option, and in the drop down list students will again be able to choose only one answer. Now quiz is ready and I can assign it to the students, or I can schedule it or I can keep it in draft. I'm just assigning the quiz. It has been assigned to the one student and 0 student has turned in. It means nobody has submitted the quiz yet. That's all in this video.
Do visit the link in the description box or visit our playlist to see all the videos. Thanks for watching. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Global Learning. Keep learning, keep shining.